Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox and automate file classification with AI, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Go to the official Dropbox website by typing www.dropbox.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the download button on the home page. Click on the download button to begin downloading the Dropbox installer. After the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded Dropbox installer file. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once installed, open Dropbox by clicking the application icon. Sign in with your existing account or create a new account if needed. Now, let's move on to file classification using AI. For this step, you will need to access an AI file classification tool. Open your web browser again and search for AI file classification software. Choose one that fits your needs, like Google Cloud AutoML or Microsoft Azure. Follow the instructions on the selected platform to create an account. Once registered, upload a sample dataset you wish to classify. Train your AI model using the dataset to identify the classification categories. After training, test the model to ensure its accuracy. Download the trained model or API link for implementation. Now, return to your Dropbox application. Create a designated folder where you will store the files to be classified. Open the AI classification tool and connect it to your Dropbox account. Set up an automation script or use pre-built integrations to classify files. Define the classification rules according to your project requirements. Test the automation with a few sample files to verify correct classification. Adjust the rules if necessary based on the test results. Once satisfied, let the automation run continuously on new files. Your Dropbox is now set up for automated file classification using AI. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.